Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the New Jersey hub came alive, the under-13 battle unfolded with the Star Sports Us Crushers clashing against the ICUSA Sons of Liberty. A canvas set for young gladiators to etch their mark in cricket's Colosseum.
In the heart of youth cricket, a narrative of passion and prowess took shape. The Crushers and Sons of Liberty, two formidable foes, stepped into the arena, eyeing victory with the vigor of fledgling warriors.
Fans witnessed a gripping tale of ebbs and flows as the Crushers, wielding their bats like artists' brushes, painted a scoreboard that the Sons of Liberty could not replicate, defining the game's essence.
It was a match that swayed like a pendulum, with the Crushers' innings setting a towering total. Liberty's chase, however, faltered, succumbing to a fiery bowling onslaught that steered our script.
The Crushers' innings was a tapestry weaved with the finesse of Srikanth's half-century and Pupala's valiant 47. A partnership that laid the foundation for a total that roared defiance.
Amidst the Crushers' flourish, Liberty's bowlers, led by the economical Ved Sinha, struck with precision. Yet extras conceded were like uninvited guests disrupting their strategy.
Liberty's innings crumbled under relentless siege. Young Omkar Das emerged as the wrecker-in-chief with a sensational 5-4, scripting a tale of dominance.
As the second act unfolded, the Liberty batsmen fell like dominoes, unable to forge any stand of significance. Das' spellbinding spell emerged as the match's defining narrative.
Omkar Das starred with the ball. His 5-4 was nothing short of a masterclass, while Srikanth wielded the willow to carve out a vital 52, shaping the match's backbone.
Das' heroics with the ball were unmatched, turning the tides in the Crushers' favor, while Srikanth's bat spoke volumes, leaving an indelible imprint on the match.
The Crushers emerged victorious by a margin of 77 runs, a triumph crafted by bat and ball, where strategy and skill reigned supreme on this day of conquest.
In the aftermath of the clash, the Crushers' jubilation was palpable, the reward for their all-round prowess. For Liberty, it was a lesson in the ruthless nature of sport. This chapter in the annals of New Jersey's youth cricket will be remembered for the Crushers' triumphant crusade and the valiant, albeit fruitless, struggle of Liberty.
As the dust settles on the battleground, we look forward to epics yet unwritten. The Crushers roll on, fortified by triumph, leaving the Sons of Liberty to regroup and rise anew.